Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to easily delete saved passwords in Chrome on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Simply launch the Chrome browser on your computer. Step 2. At the top right corner, click on More. Look for the three dots icon and give it a click. Step 3. Click on Google Password Manager. This will take you to the password management feature in Chrome. Step 4. Select any password from the list. Choose the password you want to delete from the saved passwords. Step 5. Click Delete. Confirm the deletion by clicking on the Delete button. And that's it. You have successfully deleted a saved password in Chrome on your PC. Managing your saved passwords is essential for your online security. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.